Good morning, Alfred State. This is our annual Day of Giving. This is a great opportunity for our students and college community to learn about giving back. I encourage everyone to get involved. Faculty and staff, I call on you to lead by example. Get involved and encourage your students to do the same. Another great way to get involved is by dropping off non-perishable goods to replenish our on-campus food pantry located in the Community Needs Hub on the ground floor of Pete Hall. There are drop-off locations in the Student Leadership Center, the Alumni Office, and the Zero Energy Building on the Wellsville campus. I also want to encourage our college community to come together for a pair of events today. Between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. in the Student Leadership Center, various clubs and organizations will be hosting activities to celebrate the day. This evening, during the women's basketball game at 6 p.m., the first fan to hit a half-court shot will win $100. Entry into this contest is only $1. This week we will debut the fall edition of our Alumni and Friends magazine. I encourage you to read the various sections of the magazine and read about the great work being done on campus and the amazing things our students are doing around the world. I am proud to be part of the team here at Alfred State. This is truly a special place. I encourage you to lend a helping hand. Your support will make a difference to current and future pioneers. Let's make this day of giving the best one yet. Go Pioneers!